That's why you're in the middle.
Ako mag-i-story. Isang araw.
Not Tagalog!
Ha?
Not Tagalog again.
Na Tagalog English ba?
Yeah.
One day. Ayos naman. Nakakasilaw ni Bob. One day, there was a turtle and a rabbit. The name of the turtle is Pagong. And the
Rabbit.
name of the rabbit is Rabbit.
No, the name, I will name that Pango. I'll name the turtle Kulitis. That I pranked Nang by changing her nickname sa
Mamaya na
Messenger.
yun, yung story
Kulitis.
muna.
Right? I named, yeah,
Oh, yung story muna.
next.
The turtle and the rabbit. One day, one day, the rabbit is going to his school. He
Is
was
it a
jumping and jumping. Whoop!
Like this? Like this?
Action pa, oh. Jumping and jumping, going to
Was
his
it a
school.
swimming pool?
Hindi. It's a forest. Alright.
Nothing. That's
And
what
then?
I said.
He saw his classmate.
The
Huh?
turtle?
No.
Who?
His classmate is an ant.
How could that rabbit see it? It's so small.
His friend is an ant. So now they are walking, going to their classroom. Oop! Muntik na matalunan ni Rabbit yung ant. Muntik na maipit. Kasi maliit yung ant, di ba?
Yeah. Why
When the rabbit is jumping,
Like this?
muntik na maipit yung ant. And then, while they are going to the classroom, they saw the swimming pool of the school.
I told ya!
There was a swimming pool.
Like mine?
Yeah, a long swimming pool. And rabbit and ant saw somebody
Swimming?
swimming.
I told you. Is it the turtle?
Huh? No, not the turtle.
Or what?
It's the snake. It's the snake. The snake is swimming.
Like this?
that. Yeah, like that.
Is there another one?
Huh? Wala.
Just one?
Yeah. And they
Yeah.
go to the classroom.
Yeah.
And knock, knock, knock. Tak, 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 tak. The teacher is there.
Who's the
Already.
teacher?
The teacher is and when the door opened, the teacher went inside the classroom. Tok! Oh, nauntog yung teacher sa door. Because the teacher is a giraffe. Nauntog yung teacher.
Why don't you just cut your neck? Why don't you just cut your neck?
Nauntog.
I
Ouchie.
remember that giraffes can bend their neck. But
Yeah,
why?
they can. Pero nauntog, bukol. Nagkabukol. The teacher went to the clinic.
Tapos
And-
nauntog again?
No, hindi. The teacher went to the clinic. And the teacher saw the doctor.
Where's the clinic? Just outside?
Yeah, just outside of their room. And they saw the doctor.
Who's the doctor?
Huh?
What animal?
It's a doctor? Huh? The
Doctor.
doctor is a bird.
Oh.
It's a bird. It's flying.
I seen a costume like that on a bird.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And because the teacher is in the clinic, there's no class na. No school. So Rabbit and Ant and their classmates go out of their classroom, and going out of the school, they saw the swimming pool again.
I think they
And there's a new one. There's a new one who's
Is there two?
swimming.
Is there two?
Yeah, there's two na. The snake. And there's somebody else. Yeah, ang galing mag-swim. The animal has a shell.
It's
And it's good at swimming.
it's a monkey.
Okay. It has a shell.
May shell ba yung monkey? Ikaw siguro yun.
A gorilla.
Ano ba yung mga may shell, bro?
Turtle.
Turtle. But it's not a turtle. It's a crab. There's a crab like,
Like this.
yeah. And then their coach came with a whistle. The swimming coach is there. And the coach saw Rabbit and Ant.
Is this
Hey, you two, you want to join our swimming lessons?
Is
Sabi
this
ng
how-
coach.
is this how the crab was swimming?
Yeah, like that. Pati yung mukha. Pati yung mukha. Ayan, ganyan.
You thought I can't do that
Yeah.
in real life?
Kaya crab pala eh. Oh, ayan na. The end na. Tomorrow na yung continuation. Hindi pa nga nila nakikita si Turtle. Baka tomorrow na dumating si Turtle. Absent ata eh.
Hindi.
I think Turtle is absent. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow na
Let's
ulit.
not forget.
Yeah, let's not forget the story.